In this lesson, we're going to learn how to format document pages. We're going to take a look at setting page margins, taking a look at page orientation, seeing how we can add borders, and also how we can add backgrounds to our document. To do all of this, we are going to go to one menu command here in OpenOffice, and that is under the Format menu, and then Page. And you're going to notice across the top we have a number of different tabs, and the first tab we're going to take a look at is the Page tab. In the Page tab we can set our margins. Now margins are necessary because every printer that you would have, aside from a commercial printer, something that a high-end business printer would use, needs some sort of margin on the edge. Usually about 1/4 of an inch of space the printer needs around each edge of the paper. By default, here in OpenOffice, there are 1-inch margins around the entire page. You can change these margins if you want to get more space on the sides of the page. For instance, I could say on the left and the right I want only 1/2 inch, so I'm going to change both of these to 0.5, and then I'm going to click OK, and you're going to notice that the white space on either side of my page is going to shrink by 1/2 inch. So when I click OK, you'll see now I'm down to 1/2 inch, and it gives you more space on your page to work with. I could do the same thing if I go back to Format and then Page. I could do the same thing to my tops and bottoms. I could say I want 0.5 at the top and 0.5 at the bottom. Click OK, and now I've been able to get more on my page. I like the way in OpenOffice it puts the border or the line around the page, indicating where your page margin is. If we go back into Format Page, we can also take a look at how we can add a border to the page. And with the border, what we can do is, just like we put a border around a paragraph, we can select a weight and a color, and then over here we have to decide if we want it around all 4 borders. And just like you learned with the other with the paragraphs, you can make one edge a different color than a different edge. So if I click OK, and I have my red border around my document. I'm going to go back into Format Page, and we're going to take a look at how to add a background. So if I click on Background, you'll notice I have all kinds of different fill colors, and so I could select a color, click OK, and I have a background on my document.